All right, guys, Honda Civic 21 up to 2024 driver door panel remove. Let's make it to under 2 minutes. Let's remove this door panel. So this is the tools you need. Let's get started. All right, first tools you need is this trim tool right here, or you can use this one. I like to use this one. So you put it in here, take out this panel, control panel, just like that, and then push it in. Peel off from the corner and peel off from the other side as well. Be careful, you don't want to scratch this. Just like that. I'll take out this chew connector. Put this on the side. Alright, screwdriver. There's only one screw that holds this door panel. And that would be this screw right here. Put that on the side. Alright, grab both of your trim tool. We'll hook it in here. We're gonna pry this whole door panel out. It looks like it's loose already. What the heck? First time taking this out. Peel it off like this. Off like that. Bottom. Just push pin retainers on this. Look at that. It just popped right out. It looks like it was out already. There you go. Those green tabs is the one that hooks into the door panel. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. That's how you take out the door panel on the driver's side under 2 minutes.